Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Face section next to Lock Screen Password. Tap on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and enter your current login method. Finally, choose Continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on Done. Adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the switches next to desired features. And finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. If you wish to delete your Face Unlock, tap on Face section again, enter your screen lock, and choose Delete next to Face Data at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!